Okay, so let's begin this week with a new assignment. We are going to be working with construction paper, and we're going to build on the construction paper. We're going to build a construction paper city. So it will be something similar to this. I like this one a lot. They use lots of different shapes and colorful paper. This one is fun because they put it on black construction paper, made it look like it was nighttime. So I'm just going to show you a quick way to get started, but this is all about learning your shapes and what to do with them. So the first thing is, make sure you have one of the pieces of paper that's going to be your background. I'm going to create my shapes. I think I'm going to start with a beige or kind of let's do a pink building. I think it's really nice when making shapes. I always fold my paper. It makes it easier to cut, and you can actually have really straight lines. So let me just start with this paper. And I'm going to make a very tall building to start with. Okay. Now on my paper it's a little too tall, so I'm going to take off a little piece here. I'm just ripping with my hand, but if that's hard for you to do, you go ahead and use your scissors. And I'm just going to, before I glue anything, I'm just going to put my whole city together and then I'll start gluing. Okay, so you can see that I am cutting little squares to make windows. And I am just going to cut them, try to keep them the same shape. Some of these squares don't have to be squares. You can make your windows with a little kind of an arc. Sometimes windows that have little arcs like this really look nice on buildings. I'm going to do this upside down for you. So if I had a window that was like that on a building, that looks kind of nice. I can have lots of windows like that. Or I can have square windows. I can put one square window. Oops. That's kind of a different shape. And I will have lots of square windows to go on my building. Now my door is going to be a different size. Maybe my door could be a little wider. Actually, my door can be a different color. How about that? Right. So my door could be red, right? Now what I want is I would like you to cut out everything that goes on your building. Your door, your windows, your roof, everything that's going to be in the picture. Your clouds, your car. And then I'm going to start gluing everything down. I want you to make sure that you add all kinds of things. Add some trees, add some clouds, add a little car, maybe a road. So I will show you what I came up with at the end. So let's go ahead and have some fun with construction paper.